The following tutorial describes how DS Core Care provides peace of mind by protecting your Primescan devices, even in unexpected situations. Let's begin. We are happy to share that accidental damage coverage is now also available for Primescan AC. This helps dental professionals to even better protect their devices, and it simplifies our service offering for DS Core Care. DS Core Care is Dentsply Sirona's technical service and support solution that helps keep peace of mind. With the introduction of accidental damage coverage for Primescan AC, we were able to simplify our DS Core Care service offering for the intraoral scanner portfolio. Service elements and price are now standardized across the scanners. Here is where accidental damage coverage comes in handy. Sometimes, in the rush of daily routines, materials or equipment gets dropped and damaged. It happens. So, if the unexpected should happen, rest assured that you can receive a replacement Primescan handpiece. If you already own a Primescan AC with a DS Core Care subscription, you are able to benefit from accidental damage protection after the extension at the end of your first DS Core Care contract period. Your current subscription remains at €130/$US per month. If you are a new Primescan AC user, you are able to subscribe to DS Core Care within the first 30 days of your device installation and benefit from the discount in year one. Additionally, accidental damage coverage will automatically be part of your new DS Core Care subscription for the Primescan at €175/$US. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.